Hey everybody, we are in Sanford, Florida. This is Mary and Glenn's Adventure. We are at Springhill Suites by Marriott. It's right off of 4. Right by us there is a Domino's, a Carrabba's, a Miller's, a Rocking Billions, IHOP, Texas Roadhouse. And if you stay here, you can get 10% off with your card. We already checked in, so we're going to be staying on the second floor. Here is the front desk area. There's a little seating area here. The front desk. There is a marketplace. The market. This is what you can purchase. I just checked in and they did take my card and put $20 hold of a night. Okay. Some little seating area here. Computer. The dining area. They do have complimentary breakfast tomorrow from 6 to 9. Some water. Here is the breakfast area. 6 to 9, Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 to 10, and it holds 58 folks. They have juices for the morning, hot water, coffee. So up there, the sign says scrambled eggs, turkey sausage, cheese, and jalapeno souffle. So we'll see if that's the same menu for tomorrow. Looks like they'll have pastries, a toaster, make your own waffles. Oh, that's pretty, the lighting. And we're going to be walking out to the pool in a minute, but first we'll check into our room. We are in room 203 on the second floor. When you first come in, there is a couch, little seating area with the table. If you want to do some work, there's a desk area. Over here, there's a microwave, little fridge, coffee maker, a wet bar, here's the desk area. Okay, we have 2 beds. Here is the outside. We're very close to the entrance to 4. It's right off the major highway. Here's the sink area. Full mirror. And the bathroom. And that's our room. We will go downstairs in a minute and we'll check out the pool area. Nice and clean and comfy. What we discovered about the room is that the couch pulls out as an extra bed, and we are now down at the pool. It goes from 3 to 6 feet. And that's that. We found the exercise room. It's on the first floor. Water. Oh, muscle man, macho man. Oh, this is it.
So you can see everything from the water.
Oh my gosh, I thought it went that way. Well, there's 1, 2, 3 equipment that you can work out on, and then the weights. And this is on the first floor. Good morning, everybody. We have come down to have the complimentary breakfast from 6 to 9. And this is what they have for the offerings. Scrambled eggs, turkey sausage and potatoes, a waffle maker, a toaster. They have bagels, English muffins, all kinds of condiments. They do have shredded cheese, oatmeal, assortment of cereal, toppings. There's milk, yogurt, hard-boiled eggs, fruit, teas and coffee, creamer, and a juice machine. We are outside the Springhill Suites of Marriott in Sanford, Florida. If you are looking to stay in Sanford for a night, I would highly recommend this hotel. Or if you are flying out of Sanford Airport, it's very close to the airport. And do sign up to the rewards program. This cost us $29 with our points. Very clean, comfortable. The breakfast was wonderful. So if you like this, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you the next time. Take care.